If you're not sure what kind of ride height is going to work for your F-150, or if you need some rear leeway to go along with adjustable front suspension, then ProRyde SuperBLOK Rear Block Kit is just the thing you've been waiting for. This 3-in-1 rear block kit uses a base block in combination with a set of stackable spacers so that you can easily choose how high you want your F-150's rear end to go. The SuperBLOK system has a total range of 1 inch to 2 3/4 inches depending on your model year, giving you several options for the rear height to get the perfect look you need. Under the truck at the rear axle, place a jack stand for support on the side you are working on. Then evenly loosen the 4 nuts on the stock rear block U-bolts. The jack is important so that you can support the weight of the rear axle when you take the U-bolts off, and so you can raise and lower the axle to swap the rear blocks. Once the mounting plate is off, remove the stock U-bolts and rear block. Choose your desired spacers for the new rear block, then install it in the truck between the axle and the leaf spring. This is where raising and lowering your jack stand will come in handy. Make sure the alignment pins in the block are lined up. Then install the new U-bolts and reattach the stock mounting plate. When tightening the U-bolts down, be sure to do so evenly. That finishes up our install of the ProRyde rear block. Head on over to our website to find out more information on this product. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on our latest news and updates.